Hello, welcome back to Cam's Classics. Today we're going to be putting this interior, the seats in the Oldsmobile 442. Dad's going to come and hand me the back part of the back seat. We'll put that in, then the base of the back seat, and then we are only going to put in the passenger seat. The driver's side's the same thing, but we do still have a couple little wiring gremlins we've got to figure out. They're kind of kicking our butt, but we'll get it figured out. So go ahead and bring that seat. Let's get it put in. Okay, so as you can see, there's some hooks up here. So the seat just goes up and over that. Now go down lower. Looks like it's down. You're in. Yeah, that's got to go down further, I think. Yours sitting above it. That'll be all right. That's what we want, isn't it? Okay, so got that screw in. I'll get mine screw in. We'll come back to you in just a minute. Oh, let me give you a little shortage. Okay, so got the back part of the back seat in. We're ready to bring that part in. Dad's bringing it over. Let me hop in and we'll put it in as well. So the way it works, it slides into this one on the back and slides into these and then pops over and drops in, and that's what holds it. The wires in our way. Something's in our way. So this is the hard part.
Nope. I think mine went in. Get it right on the bottom and then push down on low. Push down on this bar here. I can't tell where you're at.
Huh? I think it's in. Okay, we'll come back to you when we're ready to put the front seat in. Okay, so the back seat's in, looking good. We got to have something here, we'll figure that out. And we're ready to put this one in. And get the door so Dad can get by.
Gotta get it turned around. That other side's not in, is it?
Yeah.
The inside one?
Yep.
So you got a slider heel or something there.
So get some nuts and washers here on the front. Right socket. I'm leaving them just a little loose till I can get these back ones in.
Just pull your handle, will it let the seat slide forward?
Push it from that corner.
Okay, give me a nut and washer.
But I'll get these started.
That front one, we on the outside bolt?
They only have one on the front. Okay, so just put these nuts or these in. We're gonna have to do a little bit of finagling to get this over here where it needs to go. We're about ½ inch off. So we'll figure that out and we'll come back to you when we have this one in. So as you can see, we got the seats in. The driver's side's just sitting in there because like I said, we got some electrical wiring, but then you can see what we're gonna have. So we're getting close, a lot closer. Again, wiring's kicking our butt for a minute, but we'll get it figured out. Let me give it a shot.
I'm ready to go drag Maine.
I'm ready to cruise. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.